You guys really like to look at high-risk opportunities, don't you? Well, I've got the gambler for you. This company, Camber Energy, recently announced an agreement to go into a merger with Viking Energy. So this was announced here on the 19th of April, we can see in Yahoo, and then the announcement from the company actually came one day prior to that. However, let's get into the nuts and bolts of this agreement and just look at some of the figures that are related to it, as well as talk about some of the potential huge upside and also very big risk that comes with investing into this company. Personally, I wouldn't be able to sleep at night if I put money into this stock, but some people like to take bigger risk than others, I guess. So in terms of the agreement, the merger agreement here, the terms are that Camber Energy will be the sole traded entity. They will be the only listed company going forward if this merger comes through, and every owner of Viking Energy Group, every share basically will be converted into one share of Camber Energy, this new listed holding. And let's take a look at the numbers of outstanding shares. So we can see here from simply Wall Street that Viking Energy Group has 114 million shares outstanding, and we can compare this number to Camber Energy, and they have 9.7 million shares outstanding. So there will be a lot of new shares. But is the balance sheet of Viking Energy good? Is the synergy effect going to make both companies as a combined entity profitable? These are questions we need to ask ourselves when we look at this stock, this potential investment before merger, because in terms of total market cap, we can see that Viking Energy is quite a bit bigger than Camber Energy. We see here a market cap of 84 million, and we can compare this to Camber Energy, and we see that the market cap here is 28 million. So a lot smaller of a company. These two combined will be bigger, and as always with mergers, you only need one PR division, you only need one legal division, you only need one back office for sales, so there will be some redundancies and there will be a lot leaner of an operation. However, when we look at the financials of both companies, we see that it's a lot of up and down. We know that Camber Energy was profitable one quarter, and then in terms of earnings per share, not profitable another quarter, and it's going up and down a lot. We can see from Viking Energy that they also have some problem with profitability. So will they be able to turn around and make a ton of money? Well, in terms of valuation then, it will be a cheap company to get into, or will they continue to bleed money and go slowly towards bankruptcy? This is super hard to predict. However, in terms of valuation, Camber Energy, cheap, 28 million, and we can also see a similar story for Viking Energy, although stock price has kept up a bit better, but still down almost 60% on a 5-year basis. Not the types of numbers you want to see from an energy sector where a lot of companies have been extremely profitable and given fantastic returns to shareholders. So the whole industry is very bullish with the high cost of energy right now that's driving on inflation among some other things. However, there's potential to be very profitable in the energy sector right now, and this merger represents a big gamble. Anything could happen. They could become profitable, they could continue to lose money. It's who really knows? It's a lot of risk basically. And right, that's been it. A quick update. I thought it was interesting because of the high potential reward and the extremely high risk in this case. So some quick news for you guys on Camber Energy and this merger. Alright, that's been it for this video, and as always, hope you make a ton ton of money, whatever investments you decide to make. Take care now. Bye bye.